I need to reconnect. I'll be right back.
I think we're live now. So, I don't know. Let me see. Should be. It's failing to post online. Okay, we'll see if this gets posted publicly or not. We will see. Okay, so welcome to our Pacific Rim US stand-up. So today here, Patrick, Vijaya, and Arun was here. It's not here anymore. Okay, so maybe let's start with you, Patrick.
Yeah, so I created some stories. I reviewed some PRs, typical business. I've prepped some stories for voting on the stand-up this morning. We did have a stand-up this morning, and it was Laura and who else was there? Tongwei, thank you. It's been a long day. So we did vote on some stories, and then I had a pair programming session with with Laura after that for about an hour. Helped her push forward on her story, and that's it. No blockers.
Okay, cool. Vijay?
Yeah, Patrick reviewed my PRS. I'm reviewing his comments and updating my code based on his comments. I'm working on that. No block.
No blockers? Okay, nice.
No.
So I've been as the slacker on the team. I didn't do anything since Friday. Not even, I don't think I even reviewed an NPR. So, no, or did I? I just created PRs to the end of the sprint and merged everything to master. That was it on Friday before, but I believe it was before we had the stand-up in the afternoon. So that's that. Apparently, Arun is almost finished. He's just, from what I talked to him and what he talked to me, he is able now to receive emails from Mailgun. And also is just configuring the email address, the SMTP username that we'll be using. Maybe we'll change that variable. I don't know. I'm thinking about it. Now that he asked for the ID, I need to talk a little bit with him to see what is he going to use that for, and maybe it's good because it will no longer be SMTP username. So maybe you should change the variable name as well. But I'll see with him today. And from my side, that's all as well. Okay, so if anyone have any question, anything that I'd like to comment on?
Were you talking about the environmental SMTP username?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Because if it's going to be, if he's going to use it for the email address that we will send the mails with, maybe we should call it something different, like email send or email address or sending address, send address, something like that. To make more sense, because it's stopped being an SMTP username.
Yeah. Okay.
And that's it for me. So, any question? Anything? I'll see if today after this, I'll just look around some PRs. I know there are some PRs that I need to look through and try to review them today. Anything else?
Well, I have a question. I don't know if you know. So I want to put together some Jasmine tests to test Pusher.
Yeah.
Connecting up to Pusher, binding to channels, binding callbacks to channels, the usual stuff. Pusher, from the server to the Pusher client, the browser, it's not using Ajax, it's using WebSockets. So I know you used Ajax, used Jasmine Ajax for stubbing out for testing some of your Ajax calls, but so I looked at that, but I don't think this is applicable because we're not using Ajax here. This is underneath the hood, what Push is doing, but can you think of any library or something that would be useful?
Can we just stub the, instead of stubbing the connection, just stub
a
Pusher
return call.
call?
Yeah, I
Pusher
think I'll probably end up doing that. I was hoping to stub it further out where I could actually record and play back a response, but that's probably not needed. I was just starting to think about this now, but I'll probably just stub the call itself rather than
I
be
think
too
it's
complex about it.
better to stop the call, because if for some reason we change from pusher to another thing, we just need to spell out the other thing call as well. Instead, if it's WebSockets, we might need to change something if we stopped using WebSockets or something. So,
Or if we go to action cable in particular.
yeah.
Yep. Okay. Well, just want to check that out, get some thoughts. So that's it for now. That's all I've thought about it. So this is as far as I can take the question.
Okay, cool.
I may have more tomorrow.
Nice. Anything else?
Not for me.
Vijay?
Not for me today.
Not from you? Okay,
Tomorrow I
so
will finish the test. Yeah.
it's done for me as well. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. If you guys need anything, just talk to me. I think I'll be around. Okay?
All right. Sounds
Okay.
good.
Okay. Thank you.
Thanks all.
Bye.
Have a nice evening.
Bye.
Bye.
You too.